Black women, I need to call you all to the front of the mat. Oh, because you know what? Come to the front of the class. Come. Don't worry. I ain't going to hurt you. Come to the front of the class. Step before me. How much more? How much more do you all need before you learn? I want you to send me an all-female podcast that you all have gotten up, or all Black female podcast that you all have gotten up to over a million subscribers. I want you all to show me what all Black female podcast, you Black women out there who are standing before me at the front of the class, have gotten up to over 1 million subscribers and consistently hundreds of thousands and millions of views. I want to know. Because despite what it is that I'm doing here on this channel, you all will still send me. You all will send me Black male podcasters parroting women's words. And how many of you do I have to respond back to and say, find me the original? Don't send me these men's podcasts parroting our words. When we have been saying it for years, all it takes is for a person with 2 little grapes tucked up real neat between their legs for you all to start clicking share, subscribe, pushing it all around. Don't send it to me. I don't know who these men are. When I had to write the description of this video, I think one of their names is Fuha and the other one is James. No. Because I sit here year after year after year doing videos for you all. And you all will still, despite how much I pay for background checks, I pay for each one. Despite how much I pay for background checks, despite how many of these I expose, you still continue to share their content. Not only that, the rage baiting, Black women, how much more?